Union Agriculture and Rural Development Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has approved construction of 5,000 houses for internally displaced persons (IDPs) in Manipur under Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana Gramin (PMAYG) for the financial year 2025-26. The decision was taken following a meeting with Manipur Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand in New Delhi on Monday evening, which was also attended by Deputy Chief Ministers Nemcha Kipgen and Loshi Dikho. The proposal for special housing project was submitted earlier this month to rehabilitate families affected by the violence in the state. The Union Rural Development Ministry has also approved special window under Awas Plus 2024 to capture details of eligible households and permitted the state to continue registering beneficiaries through the Awas Plus 2024 mobile app in accordance with PMAYG guidelines. Houses will be constructed as per scheme provisions, including assistance to beneficiaries whose homes were partially funded earlier under PMAYG but later destroyed in the violence.